Hi, Darren here. I recently picked up a Keychron Q11 split mechanical keyboard, and I'm a big fan of it. I really like it. It came with some red key switches, and they were a little bit soft, but as soon as I swapped out those key switches for some blacks, chef's kiss, perfect. Loving this keyboard. Until using it the other day, my backspace key stopped firing, which that was a real killer. Fortunately, I could use Control H in a lot of contexts to still backspace, but as soon as I could, I needed to get it fixed. And I had a little trouble researching how to do that, but I got through it. Um, Now, it turns out I've got another key misfiring. Let me go ahead and show you here in TextEdit. I can move left, I can move right, I can move down. I can't move up. My up arrow, I'm hitting it, nothing's happening. So frustrating, disappointing. Really like this board, but it's got me questioning the build quality a little bit, I guess, if I keep having some keys glitch out on me. Fortunately, it's pretty easy to fix, so let's see how to do that. Okay, so here we've got the board. Like I mentioned, it's a split. Nicely, the two halves wired together. So my faulty key is on the right side, so I'm just going to unplug it, flip it over, and on the bottom we've got about six, seven little bitty screws. Uh, we've got a simple screwdriver, of course, from our iFixit toolkit. Hey, it'd be cool if they could send me an affiliate link or something, but meanwhile, we'll just real quick take those out. Trying not to strip them, which is what I am most likely to do. Now, I am by no means a pro at stuff like this, so rather than say pro tip, I will say beginner's tip. These screws are about the smallest thing I can imagine. Itty bitty little fellas. So I am most likely to lose them, but let's just get a little plastic bag and drop them in there. Assuming we can open the bag. There's enough of them that I could probably do without one or two, but come on. Let's just be better, huh? Alright, so with all the screws out, it's just a matter of, yeah, back plate just kind of falls right out there. And then all we have is on the inside a little bit of foam. So if we pull that off, there is our PCB, our printed circuit board, and you can't really see where, well, it's hard to trace, right? We just gotta flip it over and think about it. So it's our up key that's misfiring. That looks like this little switch. So let's see if we can tell why that guy is not working. Let's grab another tool from our kit. And let's just see if we grab, if we can get that in focus, if we can grab that guy and wiggle on him. Can we see if he's a little loose? Yep, I see it. He's lifting up a little bit on this side. At least I think he is. I'm gonna have to zoom in and look closer. Give me a second. Oh, here's that up key. Yeah, I can definitely see a little wiggle to him. Let's try down. That one's tight. This would be what, right? Feels tight. Left. Yeah. But up, definitely a little bit of play. So let's fix him. So here we are at our soldering station. Of course, I'm not going to solder on my desk. I'm not some kind of animal. We've got the iron, we've got the solder, and I'm sure anybody out there who actually knows how to solder is going to take great offense to what I'm doing, because I do not know what I'm doing with a soldering iron. But despite that, I have fixed like 5 or 6 things around my life with one since I picked it up late last year. So we're just going to put a little bit of solder on that switch. I think it's called a switch even on this side. I know on top they call them key switches, but I'm just going to put a little solder on there to help hold that guy in place. Let's give it a quick check with our tweezers and see if he's a little bit more solid. He's still wiggling a little bit. I'm going to try a little bit more. There we go. I still don't know what I'm doing with the soldering iron. Despite my vast ignorance, I'm still going to get this thing fixed. It's a beautiful thing. Let's see now. Do you blow on solder to help it dry? I don't even know. He looks solid now. That's literally all it is to fix this. Well, besides put some screws back in, so. Okay, let's give it a try. We're back in TextEdit. Let's see. We can go left. We can go right. We can go down. Here's the moment of victory, of decision. Yes, yes, we have an up arrow again. So look at that. Like, I don't know, less than 5 minutes. Heck, this video won't even be 5 minutes. So unbelievable, quick and easy. Now, of course, uh, buyer beware. I think that's what we say. I don't know. Oh, maybe I'm doing more damage than I know. Maybe I'm actually hurting something. But I'm just happy to have a fully working board again. So good luck if you try the same.